Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to join roof plans. So for example, I will create a floor plans with this strike exterior wall. Okay, create a symbols like this. And if you want to add roof, you can change into roof plan view. The next, click on the roof tools and we use the roof plan here. I will create at this point. Move to the top a bit. Now we create roof. You also can resize by clicking these roof tools and then move to this point. The next you can copy. Click at this icon, copy or paste, and use the reflect about objects. We reflect in here. And if you want to join these roof plans, you can select the roof plans, one of these two objects, and then click at this icon, join roof plans. Now you can select the second roof. It will be automatically joins between these two roof plans. Click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to join roof plans. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.